So I've been receiving a lot of care here, and everything has been fantastic here at Lyceum Physical Medicine. I've been receiving, of course, chiropractic care, which is tops, also trigger point therapy, as well as decompression, and then rehab as well. Those combined efforts have just really changed my life and just been amazing. And the quick turnaround that I've experienced, literally within a month, has just been a huge blessing to me and to everyone else in my life as well. So thank you.